right, so that's the assess and treatment tab. When it comes to the narrative, you've been trained on some of this already. We're recommending the L chart method. It's a GMR standard. L, C, H, A, R, capital T. Go here and just fill it out as needed. Fill in the blanks that you haven't filled in. So that's the assess and treat tablet. You can also find final patient acute is also available right here if you want to tap on these. These buttons are represented a different part of the PCR as well. Okay, we're at ground zero now, and we made that tab. The above two tabs are blue, and we think we're jamming, right? But let's go back. This top one is red, so I'm curious why it's red. I'm going to click on here, and what we have to do is we haven't chosen an incident disposition yet, meaning we haven't told them what we've done with this patient yet. So obviously we're going to the hospital with this guy. We're going to say patient treated and transported. All right, and then a bunch of stuff turns red again, okay? So make sure you every now and then go to the top, see if there's something that you didn't fill in. And once you fill in that disposition, once you fill in patient contact or certain chief complaints and impressions, other stuff is going to turn red. There's different fields that are going to light up. You're going to have to go give attention to, right? So just real quick, we're going to do a little side pan. We're going to go up to the top. We're going to fix the top one here. We've got the exposures field. I'm going to add all crew here. And this came about during the COVID so we could document how we protected ourselves. So let's say we're good little soldiers. We got gloves, eye protection, and N95 mask. Okay, we're not suspecting COVID on this guy. And we're going to hit no. Okay, hit OK. Same thing, gloves, eye protection, N95, and we don't believe we were exposed. Okay, now that's all blue again. Now what turned red over here? We're looking at our patient info. We need a social security number. Okay, so don't make up a social security number. I'm going to make, you're going to see that we're going to leave social security number blank. We're going to get like 99%. All right, I want to make up one out of the blue and have some poor lady in Wichita, Kansas, her bank account hacked. So we'll leave social security number blank, and you'll see that 3 tabs will always be red because the social security number is blank. Patient address. Is this patient homeless? Yes or no? Nope. We responded to his house, so he's not homeless. Okay. If you do have a homeless or an indigent individual, urban outdoorsman, or whatever they're being called at this time, you can hit yes, and I would enter in the home address, the city they normally hang out in, but instead of the address, I would type homeless or none and then put the zip code in there. Okay, so he is not homeless. We'll keep it on no. Okay, we're going to go to the billing tab. Okay, so obviously billing makes the world go round. So make this section is filled in as complete as possible. At least getting an insurance name and the account number from them. So primary method of payment, there's different ones here. There's Medicare, Medi-Cal. If you have a social security number and they're Medicare, I guess you're good. Mostly I would tap insurance and figure out exactly what they have. Social security number is also available here, but we're going to leave that one blank. Okay. Insurance information is not filled in yet. It's not red, but this is where you find this when you know what they are. You can type in their insurance company name, like K for Kaiser, or if it's Medi-Cal, I just type MEDI. All right, Medi-Cal. You've got all kinds of Secure Horizons. They're all here. So let's say the person is just a Kaiser. He lives close to Loma Linda, but he's a Kaiser guy. And then you would find down here your insurance policy number. Kaiser people are slinging that thing like it's nothing. They got their card in their back pocket. They know where they go. They know their number. You just type in their number there. If the insurance company is not found in this list, you can always type in the address manually later on. Do it at the hospital. Do it en route when you're bored. Long transports, it's not a priority, but get it done. Transport reason indicators. If you scroll down, there's 2 of them here. ALS assessment performed and warranted. Just hit yes. You're there. They called you. They wanted your opinion. And then paramedic transport unit. That's who did the assessment. Okay. And then that tab is taken care of. We got some red here, right? But we know that it's the social security number is keeping us from getting all blue here and in the billing section.